back to another video. We are heading to the beach today. We're heading to the beach. We're headed to the beach today. We're going to go meet up with some of our friends this weekend. We're going to be going to New Smyrna Beach. Yeah. So we're just going to hang out on the beach, enjoy some sun, make some sand castles, eat some good lunch.
And get rained on.
And get rained on, yeah, because it's supposed to rain today, but
as long as it ain't no lightning, I'm still staying out there. If there's any lightning, then I'll leave. If it ain't, I ain't leaving.
yeah. So like he said, as long as it's not any thunder or any lightning, we'll still stay at the beach. But if so, then we gotta head out. So stay tuned, guys. Said scratch your ear. So guys, so we just left the beach. We are now in Daytona Beach, which is about a 30-minute difference in time, and we are going to this place called Bethune Grill. They have the best chicken wings ever, like the best, and they are famous for their honey wings. So they basically are like some sweet wings with a little ting to them. Really delicious. I'll show you guys as soon as I get my food. Look at these beautiful wings.
Let's go.
Yeah, they ready to dig in, guys. They're so delicious. Look at them. So juicy, crispy.